the universal language of care, love, and life. Respect our principal, vice principals, teachers, and dear friends. A warm morning to one and all. Today, we the students of class 1A are here to present today's assembly on the topic World Food Day. Let us begin our day with the blessings of God and our curriculums for the prayer. A reading from the book of Matthew, chapter 6, verse 11. Give us today our daily bread. This is the word of the Lord. We invite us to share today's thought with us. Food is precious, never wasted. I repeat, food is precious, never wasted. Good morning, everyone. Today our assembly focuses on a very important thing, World Food Day, and it falls on 16th October. This day reminds us that food is not just something we eat, it is life itself. It is gift that we should never waste and should always share those in need. Let's appreciate our farmers. Farmers work very hard in the field, under the hot sun, in the rain, and even in tough weather conditions to grow grains, fruits, and vegetables we eat every day. World Food Day reminds us to be thankful for what we have and to share whatever and whenever we can. Let's all promise today, never waste food, eat healthy meals, appreciate our farmers, help those who are hungry. When we value every grain of rice, we value every life. Now I invite Ranjina to address the assembly.
Good morning to all, respected fathers, sisters, brothers, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. First of all, let me appreciate the students of class 1A and their teacher, Ma'am Rinju, for their informative assembly presentation. Let's give them a big round of applause. Today, October 16, World Food Day. A day to recognize the importance of food security, nutrition, and sustainable agriculture. Actually, food is our life. Let's not waste it, and let's make sure everyone gets enough food. Children, please note, we can make a difference by reducing food waste, supporting local farmers, and promoting sustainable practice. Every grain of food is precious. Let's eat wisely, share kindly, and make sure no one goes hungry. Thank you and have a wonderful day and for your exams. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to all. Each certificate is a symbol of effort, excellence and enthusiasm. Let's celebrate every achievement. Now it's time to appreciate the achievements of our students who actively participated in the Avatar Extreme Inter-School Cultural Fest 2025 held at Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. It's my pleasure to invite respected principal to give away the certificates. Maria Sibyl, class 9, participated in solo dance. Alina and Mary participated in solo dance. Mridula S participated in solo dance. Vaiga Krishna participated in solo dance. Srisha S participated in solo dance. Anashwara participated in pencil sketching. Anashwara CJ participated in cooking without flame. Anne's Karia, class 9, participated in cooking without flame. Alina and Mary participated in cooking without flame. Ansa Maria participated in cooking without flame. Thank you, Father. Congratulations to all. Winning is wonderful, but the spirit to keep trying is even greater. Thank you and have a great day.
To all my dear students, teachers, uncles and aunties, how are you all today? I'm trying to thank you. Have a blessed day. All the best for your exams. Do well.
Thank you, ma'am and father, for your valuable work. Now I invite Arun for the pledge and thereafter the school choir for the